European leaders have rallied behind Volodymyr Zelensky after Donald Trump's furious exchange with the Ukrainian president in the White House. The leaders of Germany, France, Spain, Poland, and the Netherlands were among those who posted social media messages backing Ukraine, with Zelensky responding directly to each one to thank them for their support. The Ukrainian president is traveling to London this weekend to attend a summit hosted by UK Prime Minister Sir Keir Starmer, who retains unwavering support for Ukraine. Downing Street said, "It comes after extraordinary scenes in the Oval Office on Friday as US President Trump clashed with Zelensky, telling him to make a deal with Russia or we are out." The leaders of Germany, France, Spain, Poland, and the Netherlands were among those who posted social media messages backing Ukraine, with Zelensky responding directly to each one to thank them for their support. The Ukrainian president is traveling to London this weekend to attend a summit hosted by UK Prime Minister Sir Keir Starmer, who retains unwavering support for Ukraine. Downing Street said, "It comes after extraordinary scenes in the Oval Office on Friday as US President Trump clashed with Zelensky, telling him to make a deal with Russia or we are out." At one point, Trump told Zelensky he was not thankful enough for US military and political support during Ukraine's fight against Russia's invasion, and that he was gambling with World War III. As a flurry of supportive messages for Ukraine were posted by European leaders following the row, along with posts from the Prime Ministers of Canada, Australia, and New Zealand, Zelensky replied to each one, "Thank you for your support." French President Emmanuel Macron posted, "There is an aggressor, Russia. There is a victim, Ukraine. We were right to help Ukraine and sanction Russia 3 years ago and to keep doing so." Dutch Prime Minister Dick Schoof said the Netherlands supports Ukraine now more than ever, adding, "We want a lasting peace and an end to the war of aggression started by Russia, for Ukraine and its people, and for Europe." Germany's outgoing Chancellor Olaf Scholz wrote that no one wants peace more than the citizens of Ukraine, with his replacement in waiting Friedrich Merz adding that we stand with Ukraine, and we must never confuse aggressor and victim in this terrible war. Spanish Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez said, "Ukraine, Spain stands with you," while his Polish counterpart Donald Tusk wrote, "Dear Zelensky, dear Ukrainian friends, you are not alone." European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen told Zelensky, "Your dignity honors the bravery of the Ukrainian people." Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau said Canada will continue to stand with Ukraine and Ukrainians in achieving a just and lasting peace. Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese posted that his country had proudly supported the brave people of Ukraine in their struggle to defend their sovereignty against the brutality of Russian aggression and in support of international law. There were also supportive messages for Ukraine from political leaders in Austria, to Belgium, Croatia, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, Ireland, Latvia, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Moldova, Romania, Sweden, and Slovenia. Zelensky left the White House early following his row with Trump, but afterwards thanked the US president on social media for his support, saying, "Ukraine needs just and lasting peace, and we are working exactly for that." Writing on Messenger app Telegram on Saturday, Zelensky said, "It was very important for us that Ukraine is heard, and that no one forgets about it, neither during the war nor after. It is important for people in Ukraine to know that they are not alone, that their interests are represented in every country, in every corner of the world," he added. In an interview with Fox News following his White House visit, Zelensky said his row with Trump was not good for both sides, but he thought the relationship could be salvaged.